And this yoga day, we're also getting you all the asanas that you can do at home. This is the right time perhaps to ensure that yoga is made a part of your life. So we've got two yoga experts with us, Garima and Mansi, who are performing yoga at their home. They're joining us from their residences, but with a little bit of technology, we're ensuring that they're brought to us virtually here right next to me. We're teleporting Garima and Mansi here into our studios from their homes so they can show you some asanas and I can perform it along with them and break down exactly how easy it is to make yoga a part of your life. Mansi, in fact, Garima and I had also practiced a few, yoga asanas that anyone can inculcate in their lives, especially for people who have a very stressful lifestyle. What I've also been seeing at this time of social distancing, of ensuring that you follow all norms during a pandemic, is that many people are also performing yoga wearing masks. Is that advisable? And are there certain asanas that you can do while wearing a mask? Because obviously your pranayamas you cannot do while wearing a mask.
Yeah, pranayama we should not do while wearing mask because pranayama is very important. It is for the purification. That is very important. Cleansing is very important. But yes, जब हम बाहर जाते हैं we should wear mask. Social distance आप लोग follow कीजिए, ये बहुत ही important है. और continuously योग करते रहिए. Yoga is very important for your immune system, for your respiratory system. Like our Prime Minister said, इम्यून सिस्टम को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना, रेस्पिरेटरी को ठीक रखना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कोरोना के टाइम पे. कोरोना के क्या, जिंदगी में किसी भी टाइम पे आप अपने बॉडी को पूरी तरह कंट्रोल रखिए. दैट इज व्हाई वी नीड टू गो टू डॉक्टर या व्हाई एक्चुअली वी नीड टू टेक सम मेडिसिन. जब योग है हमारे पास तो मुझे नहीं लगता हमें किसी भी चीज की जरूरत है. सो प्राणायामा की बात कर रहे हैं तो मैं एक चीज जरूर बताऊंगी. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज फॉर योर माइंड, बॉडी एंड ब्रेथ. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इजी. सिंपली वी आर जस्ट होल्डिंग अवर हैंड लाइक दिस. नाउ इनहेल, chin up. Now exhale forcefully for 10 count. This is very important for the thyroid. Thyroid gland is base center of your neck. This is very important for voice also, and this is very important cleansing kriya. We'll do it. Inhale, go up. Exhale. Relax. Relax your mind, relax your body, release your all stress and pain, just relax. This kriya is very important kriya. This is for the cleansing. Whenever you find time, do this kriya. This will help you for your respiratory system, to boost your immunity system. And I told you earlier also, immunity is not an overnight process, but practicing yoga is very important. Do yoga every day, stay healthy.
And if you could also show us some asanas that you would recommend people do at these times. There are obviously asanas that you say beginners should start off with, but before coronavirus, there were certain asanas that you recommend, and perhaps now things have changed because the focus is on boosting your immunity, ensuring that you feel healthy, and at the same time, as you pointed out, the pranayamas.
Okay, we'll do that. We'll tell you we'll 2-3 asana that is very important to boost your immunity system. It is very easy and very simple.
Okay.
First, always try to sit straight. That is very important. Now, just bend your legs. This is Bandhasana. This is very important asana. Now hold your legs like this. This is very important for your digestive system also. Now keep your forehead down, relax yourself. This is very important for the concentration also. Now we'll tell you one more asana. This is also very good for your immunity system. Straighten your legs. Ardha Chakra Asana. Now we are just twisting our body. That is very important. This is for beginner only. Keep your hand and just stretch, twist your body. Relax. Chain the side. Relax yourself. Keep your hand like this and just stretch, twist your body. Relax. Very slowly release the posture. Relax. We'll tell you one more asana that is also very good for the immunity. Very easy and very simple asana. We are going in Padma Asana. If you're not comfortable, you can do Sukhasana also. Now, this is very, very good asana for your immunity. Just come forward. Garbhasana. Very slowly go down. Relax yourself. Keep your hand down. Just relax. This is very good for your back, for your spine. It is very good for your nervous system. Come up. We can do it with Sukhasana or Padmasana, however you are comfortable. So this is very important asana. Do this asana at home and always stay healthy. Keep your body hydrated. Water is very essential part of your body. Drink a lot of water. Water will help you to clear all the bad toxins from your body. And please follow this thing like before 5 and after 5. That is also very important. So these all things we can do to boost your immunity. And one important thing which I would like to tell everyone, neem leaves. Neem के जो पत्ते होते हैं, that is very important. We all are from nature itself. तो नीम के पत्तों को खाने से भी हमारा immunity boost होता है. So this is all the things we can do to boost your immunity, and this is also very good for your blood circulation.